down because it's just an oversell. Like this is Black Cherry Oak Room Fragrance. And normally this would be, I don't know, somewhere about $8 to $10 a piece, and it was $3.99. So they marked it down. And it's made in America. But this is Black Cherry Oak, and I love this scent. So I think that's it. Is that everything? Is that everything? Those are just little boxes. Yep, that's everything. So the good news is, it's so funny sometimes when I do hauls. It's like, okay, so are we going to wrap that yet? Or, okay, so are we going to put those, are we going to put those towelettes out yet or anything? It's like, no, I haven't hauled it yet. I haven't shown it on my channel. So they're like, when are you going to do it? So, let's see. Did I get everything? Yes, yes. And, yes, I got 2 of those. Okay. Alrighty then. So that's it. That's everything that I was going to show you. Oh, I did decide yesterday, because I was talking to y'all about I need to redo my nails. And one of the things I do early in the morning, right as I sit down to my computer, is I do a quick nail cover. Meaning, I'll do just a quick paint over. Like, I've got black on. Actually, this is Blue Satin by Chanel. But it almost looks black. It's so dark. Same thing about this color. This is Malice. And I'm thinking I'm going to use this. But what I do is I go ahead, just because all I'm going to do is type for hours and hours working on the computer. And so to me, that's the time for me to go ahead and paint my nails real quick. And then later in the week, I'm sure this will come off quickly. It never lasts very long, I will say that. Just because I do type on the tips of my nails. And so the tips always, the color rubs off. Even if you do a top coat, it still does. So then I will be switching from Malice to Rouge Morée later on. But that's it. So that is everything, y'all, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm going to, after lunch, I will go and film today's Advent Bible study and load it up as well. I'm trying to load fast, but when I load from home, y'all, it does take a lot longer, just because the router's not as fast or whatever. I'm talking like I understand these things, when we all know that I don't really know what I'm talking about. But anyway, so I hope from all of this tutorial, because I've done the same tutorial twice on the Revlon Colorstay, that you've gotten the point that this is a really good quad, and that you can get it at your drugstore or your grocery store, odds are. If not, you can go to Ulta or Sephora, I'm sure, that, or go to Revlon.com. I'm sure you can get this. But this is one of the best eye quads, just because it's got a good highlighter. If you don't like that white, there's a champagne color right below it, or you can put that below on your skin. And then this is a really good neutral, and literally you don't even need the dark color if you don't want it, but you can use that to line with and your brows, or to put it in the outer corner just to darken it up for the evening, or if you like that look and you blend it well for the day. So anyway, I know I promote a lot of expensive products sometimes, and sometimes I just really want to let you guys know that there is plenty of good drugstore makeup to choose from. You don't have to do Charlotte Tilbury, Chanel. They happen to be 2 of my personal favorites. But I just want to show y'all I also use drugstore makeup. I love drugstore makeup. I don't always use Chanel foundation. Sometimes I use the Healthy Mix, Bourjois Healthy Mix, or you can go to your local Ulta and get the IT Cosmetics CC Plus cream. These are really great, fantastic products. So, anyway, plus the whole point of makeup is just trying new things, isn't it? It's just fun. I mean, you have your Old Faithfuls, and some days I'm like, I ain't using anything but my Chanel foundation. And then I'll use this Healthy Mix. I'm like, no, this is good. Or yesterday when I used the IT Cosmetics CC, I looked at my face later and it looked so moist is the word. I mean, it looked, because of the serum that's in it. So I was like, wow, that really actually is a good product. So anyway, I just wanted to say that so that y'all will try out some new things, and don't stick to just feeling like, oh God, I gotta save up my money and go get this because Beth said it's the best. If I tell you it's the best and you ought to try it, if you have the money, that's because it has been tried and true for me, and that is true of my 2 Chanel foundations, the Vitalumera Aqua and the Perfection Vitalim. What is it? I can never remember the name of it. Perfection. I can't think of the name of it. That's crazy. Because I use it all the time. Y'all, you've seen enough of my videos. You can go back and look. Am I a good YouTuber or what? Also, another thing that I was going to tell you guys, it's a good thing to do for your nails that I always forget to tell you about, is to put on a good nail oil. I remember the first time I saw this, I put it over my nails and I was like, why is that not working? It's a nail oil, like a cuticle oil. And that's important because your cuticles dry out. And let me tell you, since I have not been using, having regular manicures, boy, does it make a difference. You really should put an oil on your cuticles because they dry out and you're more than you realize, you're pretty tough on your hands. So just make sure that you do add something like that back. And I guess that's it for now, you guys. I love you. I got to get back to work, and I will be filming later my Bible study. So love you guys. Talk to you again soon. Bye.